What's up YouTube, it's your boy Car Adventure Reg and welcome back to another video. As you can see, I got the Lexus LS400 right here. I got the G35 right here. And as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, man, we finna be comparing the 10s and the 12s. So let's go ahead and look what's under there real quick so y'all can see. So right here, we got the 12-inch kicker comp Qs in this one. And right here, we got the 10-inch kicker comp Q L7s in this one. They both run on INFINITI amps, but that one is a little bit bigger than this one. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, got both of the ones out right now with the slap. I'm just go ahead and talk just a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and play the speakers. For these right here, these are small, but don't let them confuse you. These slap hard. I'm not gonna lie, these slap hard. And this is like the perfect speaker for this car just because it's so small right here in the trunk. As y'all can see, this trunk is really small. And then look at the 10, look at the 10 box. 10 box is like barely fitting in here for real. So these are like the perfect size for this car. It slaps hecka hard, and we're gonna do an inside comparison and an outside comparison, of course. So but yeah, I could definitely say, like, if you have a G35, I definitely recommend 10s. And either you can get the L7s or you get the round ones, but I would personally recommend the L7s because they hit a lot harder. And I currently have my seats back too. As y'all can see right there, I got the seats back. And then over here, we got the kicker comp Q12s. And these hit extremely hard. The only reason why I can't feel it as much in here is because I said it in my last video with the review. The gas tank is literally right here. And then this car is so insulated, you know what I'm saying? It's really insulated, and this is a bigger car, of course, than the G35. I'm about to show you right now. When I sit back, I'm already in the back seat, bro. I'm already in the back seat, and that's something that, this is something that the LS can't do. You can't, you know, have your seats down and have the bass really just whopping. If I was doing that, boy, it's game over. But yeah, this car is so insulated. And then you got the gas tank in the back. But let's go ahead and get into the sound test. We're gonna do the inside of the car first, and then we'll do the outside. So let's go ahead and get into it. So y'all know I gotta start it off with copyright free music first, and then we'll go ahead and get into the slap part. So let me ask you in the comments, which one sounds better, the LS400 or the G35? I played the same songs. The first song was like a copyright free when I was inside the car. The first song I played with the subwoofers was Payroll Giovanni, and the second song was 612's with Webby. So let me know which one sounds good, this one with the 12s or this one with the 10s. Let me know. And like I said, for those 10s, I'm telling you, man, they get loud. And for 10s, that's crazy. It's crazy. Like for me, just hearing them for the first time together, the 10s are definitely like deeper, but these are deep and loud at the same time. Like I could feel these subs in my chest and the ground was shaking. Like, wait, this one was deep and you could hear it, but the ground wasn't shaking, but they were still loud. Like they still loud. But inside the car it's way louder just because I got the back seats down and that car is not so insulated like this one. So that's like the biggest difference what I've seen compared to these two, the 12s and the 10s. But let me know in the comments below which one you think is good, the 10s or the 12s. Which one would you buy? Personally, I'm more of a 12s guy, so this one will have to be for the win. And me listening to it from the outside, I'm like, bro, if I put this in any other car, I know these will slap so hard, bro. But it's just that the gas tank in this car is so insulated, bro. But if it wasn't, oh my God, I'm trying to tell you, man, these are a good buy. I ain't gonna lie, but those are a good buy too. Like if you have a G35, I would suggest you buy those. I wouldn't get these because these are way too big. I wouldn't get 12s for a G35 because these are way too big for that car. I would stick with 2 10s, but if you do have a G35, I would get those. If you have a Lexus LS400, I would get these, or you can't go wrong with 15s, but I feel like that would be a little bit too big for the trunk. But it's really a personal preference on what you want to choose. But I really like these subs. I just wish I had them in a car that wasn't so insulated. Let me know, man. Let me know which one sounds good. Let me know which inside speakers sound good to y'all. And I do want to make another video like this again, but kind of not in this area where I'm at. But I am gonna make another video to where I could really like compare them, but I just wanted to kind of like do like a sounds test or whatever. And yeah, so let me know in the comments on which one you think sounds good. And man, it's nice to see both of the whips out. Boy, just look at this view. You got the LS400 right there and you got the G35 right there. Both of the cars are dirty, my bad, but it is what it is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and leave me a like right now. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, all of that. I definitely appreciate it. It helps me out, it helps my channel. And if you guys want to see better content, definitely the likes, comments, and even watch time. If you guys watched this far, I really do appreciate you. All that helps the channel and all that helps me grow, which brings in better content. So if you guys want more better, definitely watch the full video, like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you know whenever I post. I'm trying to do 3 times a week, but currently I've been doing kind of stuck at the 2 times because it's been kind of hard to do content or whatever. But I ain't gonna be talking you guys head off. But I guess I'll see you on the next video. Peace.